to go. Let it snow, let it snow.
Hey friend, it's Kitty and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, so you can subscribe. The button is always down below. And welcome to day 24 of Vlogmas. It's the second to last day of Vlogmas, and I'm recording this kind of vlog style, kind of weird. It's just one of those videos today. And so today's video is going to be like a holiday room tour. I'm going to show you everything and how it kind of ended up, because obviously day one was me decorating for Christmas, and now I'm going to show you what the room looks like decorated. Obviously I'm not going to go into a full room tour, a full everything that's in my room. I'm only going to really talk about things that are holly-esque and that kind of stuff, but I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's just get right into it. Okay, so starting off at the door, I will give you like an overview of the room, but I'm not gonna get like super into it. So obviously this is my door, and then to the left I have my giraffe named Stanley, of course, and nothing too Christmassy over here. And then we get to my bed, and I do have lots of Christmassy things. So of course I have this blanket that's from Target. I believe I've showed this in previous years, but I got this like $5 on Black Friday a couple years ago, and then this one I just got half off. It has reindeers all of it. They're just really cute throws. Love them both from Target. Then of course I have my Cooper, of course, not for sale. Then I have my sit-up pillow, which has nothing to do with Christmas, from Target. Then I believe both these pillows are from Marshall's, if I can remember correctly. Obviously this one's like the sequin switch one, which is fun. And then I have that one from Marshall's, and that one from Marshall's, and that one has dogs on it, which we love because we love dogs here, right, Cooper? And then nothing Christmassy left on the bed. Then over here, I have my Christmas tree. Like, I don't know what you would describe this. I think it's a bottle brush tree. So I have that over here, and that's really all the Christmassy things I have over here, besides like this Christmas candle from Trader Joe's that I haven't lit yet. What's wrong with me? And then that's just what that looks like. And then my makeup area, nothing Christmassy there. And then I have my socks, some Christmas, some not. And then I have some Christmas socks also in there, and these cute little bins from Marshall's. And obviously the main attraction is the tree. It is so hard to show you guys the tree, but here's like a little look. Favorite ornament, my little baby. And then of course I have a donut, really love that. Central Perk mug. A lot of these ornaments are from like Target and stuff, and some of them are like older ones, and some of them are more gifts and that kind of stuff. But I love my tree. Absolutely obsessed with it this year. Like, I love how it turned out. It ended up turning out so cute. And I believe that hat on the top is from Bath and Body Works. And then I have two Christmas hats up there, and then there's not really anything Christmassy over there. That was a Christmas gift last year, I guess, if that means anything. And then we're back to stage one, which is the door. But I absolutely love how my room turned out. It's definitely that hint of Christmas that I love. But yeah, this is a very quick and easy kind of like my room tour, Christmas room tour for Christmas. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We have one day left, but just subscribe for all the uploads post Vlogmas and in the new year. I have so many exciting things coming up. I just do. And yeah, be sure to subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for the last day of Vlogmas. Bye.